Hello children, today we'll go ahead with political radicalism and economic crisis. So what happened there when this Weimar Republic was formed? When it was born, so what other problems it was going through? So here the birth of Weimar Republic had to face, it coincided with the revolutionary uprising of the Spartacist League. So Spartacist League was actually a revolutionary movement organized in Germany during First World War. You need to write down all these definitions there in your copy. So Spartacist League was a Marxist revolutionary movement which was organized in Germany during the First World War. Fine, and this particular movement was named after Spartacus, who was the leader of the largest slave rebellion of the Roman Republic. So here, when this Weimar Republic was born, when it was found, so at the same time it had to face with the revolutionary uprisings of that particular movement, Spartacist League. Fine, and it was working on the same pattern of what was happening in Russia, that is the Bolshevik revolution. So the Soviets of workers and the sailors were established. So it was established in different cities. The Soviets of the groups of the unions of the workers, the unions of sailors, they were established in cities, and it was all because a different type of communism was coming up. If you see the political atmosphere there in Berlin, that also was influenced because of the demand for Soviet style governance. So here there in Germany, they were demanding for Soviet style governance, and that's why that change or that movement could be observed there. And those who opposed to this Soviet style governance, like socialists, Democrats and Catholics. So these three groups of people, these three categories you could say, they met in Weimar in order to frame democratic republic. Weimar Republic couldn't tolerate it. It crushed this uprising, the uprising of that is socialists, Democrats, Catholics, who were trying to frame a democratic republic. That was crushed with the help of free corps. So who were these free corps? The war veterans. Or means that is in between, you can just see that even one word questions, MCQs or one word questions can be asked. Then here the Spartacists, those who were not satisfied, okay, they later on they founded the Communist Party of Germany. So it was formed by Spartacists, the Communist Party of Germany. And here communist and socialist, both of them together, not together we could say, these two groups of people, they became the stern enemies. And that is why these two groups of people, that is communist and socialist, they could never come together. They could never come on the same side to fight against Hitler. So that advantage also Hitler got because the people couldn't unite against him. And here these revolutionaries, they craved for radical solutions. They were looking for, they were looking for the solutions, the radical solutions. Radical solutions means what is radical? Radical means expressing the belief that there should be extreme social or political change. So they were looking forward for that extreme social or political change which they were looking forward for. Okay, so political radicalization, that means this quick change, that is the extreme social or political change, it was heightened by the economic crisis of 1923. So when the people were facing the crisis, the economic crisis in the year 1923, that means after the World War, slowly the crisis started there. No, it was seen, it was reflected there in the society, in the economy and all. So it gained its height. Okay, Germany fought the war, as we saw there during the First World War. What was the condition? Germany fought the war basically on the loans, and it was considered guilty. It was considered, or that is, war guilt was put on Germany, and it was asked to pay the war reparations, that is, whatever damage was done to those countries involved in the war, all those damages were to be paid by Germany, and this was demanded in the form of gold. Already the gold reserves were depleting, it was reducing. Okay, it was not that in large quantity, and in 1923 Germany said that they are not ready to pay because they were not having. At this response, the French government, they occupied the industrial area of Germany, which is Ruhr, and they claimed their coal resources there. Germany responded in a that is passive response was there from the Germany side, that is responded, retaliated, but in the passive way, not in the active way. So on the back foot, what it tried to do, it printed the country printed, that is Germany printed paper currency recklessly, that is non-stop it went on. When it was facing the crisis of money, it went on printing the paper currency. So that was not a solution, a proper solution, which Germany tried that time. And just because of that, the circulation of money, the circulation of that paper currency reached too high, and the value of the German mark fell down. In April, the US dollar was equal to 24,000 marks, that is German currency. And slowly, if you see, the value was this way, it was going down. 3,53,000 in the month of July. In August itself, 46,21,000. So see the way it was declining. Further ahead, that is, by the month of December, within this few months itself, the figure, the amount run into trillions. $1 equal to trillions of German mark. Imagine the condition. So when the value of mark collapsed, this was the situation of collapsing. It collapsed. The prices of the goods increased so high. The image of the German, that became so popular or so common. That is, the Germans, they carrying the cart full of the currency notes in order to buy only one loaf of bread. And this was circulated publicly, this was circulated on the world platform in order to gain the sympathy of the world. And this crisis was known as hyperinflation. So here another definition. What is hyperinflation? So it's a situation when the prices rise phenomenally high. That leads to hyperinflation. All these you need to write down. And then when this was the miserable condition there in Germany, Americans, they interfered. They intervened in the matter, and they brought Germany out of this crisis by introducing Davis Plan. And the Davis Plan reworked to reduce the financial burden on the Germans. So next we will go ahead with the years of depression. Thank you.